My youth. What may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
What may you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing what you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we I try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things. Eh? What problem?
No, man. You get some bad to us. You just come accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
upper
think
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you know Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me. Eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend here. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one. Do something here. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, yeah? Mix them up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry! Oi!
What on?
But there.
You know where Papa may I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa may I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty-gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm going to tell you, I go back to
I can't take him mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on and come talk about me and watch him. But me I tell people when my girl is, when my girl is, you're a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about me. How me so me do? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shadow. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You see my friend? Just wait. Me want to see you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, Come on, that place now. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once you jump on me foot, it they go kick. So talk.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like a him. And I can talk about me say him a gyalis. When me know say him a gyal clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a gyalis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
On
night
my birthday.
One of them night
On my birthday, man. You know me have, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's a business. Yo, one birthday it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down,
come on,
calm down, man. Wanna ease in yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Cause I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah,
Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you
Go
going?
to your house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, you get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
Now, go on, man. Just be, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Calling me? What you mean calling me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on there. Hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence into here, lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, homie?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me, soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again, alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy, just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of a... But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can... Come on.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, I know you come and look this a girl. You one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there, so I look one girl, and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
I'm rolling.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit, and that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl, we are run them, I run them down. You see what me there do? Me a try if you know how to chocolate.
No. Where say I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'm finally want to go, man. Understand? No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me. No, man.
You must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, them tell every day, so, you know, them. I can't suck about. You know, someone reason about a situation. Yeah, man, it's a situation I'm going on, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, you know, if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean? Like she has sent you a certain signal. How you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend,
Yeah.
that he mean.
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, film decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
They could I do it. Cause watch it out. My woman, I not true me love her alone, you know. I loyalty do it, man. Cause what goes around come back on like in a little circle. Yes, me not do that, brother. Me just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. Now I do that, brother, because I guess I know, me have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when I was maybe 15 and I don't know where I'm going, I might want to take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her and she respect me, you know?
So what you say? So what you say? So what you say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make, man. Right now, me tell you, say right now some of the girl them, see some of the woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yeah,
allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing though. Yeah, and true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves. You know what I mean? That's why them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of,
so hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You up to something, you know? You see your face, you up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place to talk and reason on certain things, because yo, me don't like how for me. Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kind of, you know, she too into
something for you, you know. You say one more.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman.
Tell
you see your woman with you.
Tell
Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You can keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say,
yo,
I'm a woman.
Watch it.
A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy where sit yo. See a wife you call. Yo, big up on yourself, man. You understand me? I said, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy. Take it easy.
Chop him.
Yo, you see, I come ask you a question.
I chop him. I want dirty boy.
No,
I hear what we have to say. Chop him. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, watch and see what I do. The most chap that's where they don't know. Can't bear me see it in my face.
You don't see it in my face. You don't see badness in my face. Everything easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I'll try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
A 2 hours now. And public summer take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How can be? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
So
babes. Oh God, sorry if it takes so long, man. Sorry if it takes so long. Oh my God.
Why you take so long? How long me wait by you 2 hours now?
Come here, try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long still not wait by you.
yeah, man, come here, tell us, yo, they're on the road, tired, but you drink still in the fridge?
Yeah.
Get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You so me done on them.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me had it in our relationship, would I do all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff? You get what I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know. But you get what I say?
But me no know, me no think of it even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So I ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but you know, Bob Marley when done say there is say, Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but you know, me think about it. Decide me can.
Yeah, come go and I'm going to find you.
You sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, be. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that. But you ready for go? Hurry go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man?
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gone and walk and you gone and walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
No, we can't go. No, we're not gonna tell us if we love him, you know. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. Action.
Yeah. You still there? Well, I'm going to pansy everything.
Oh, pansy. No.
Pansy, wait, I'm calling you know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come on out to. Want you hurt her feelings? I can't say yes. Lady!
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna take so long for coming. You have to come in.
What? Tell us. Phone now burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Taga lang bad man, me not lie.
And you know if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will we there when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that one. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with a girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and sound that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me the music?
I must say a long time you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me the music you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody else me tell you. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. See him too.
Come on. Peace out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk bullshit. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong thing.
Cause she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So they're not gonna party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you don't have money with that sponsor, I will have money. But no money, I know. Well, you can check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody got a road and we just there, so.
Not true. We must see house, Lily.
I true school of where we are, man.
I don't lie. Every time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know me feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now is college. Man can't stay for last one time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need a little cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. Oh, you talk about girl. And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good. You
And
know
if
what you
I'm
talk
money.
about. Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. One, you look start out in your pleasure. What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you are going to do? You are going to need backup TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he say like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me I come there. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? We can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what go on?
look, one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me, but drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other first. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't move on.
Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what go on. Cause phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone are on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, Mom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger. Cause he lend me this and I know say no film charger. Cause I never see me with iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me? You know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. Well, next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I don't hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down yes. Yeah.
Make
You're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man, alright just.
Oh. So, what you say I do love you, sir?
You know say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on, when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
But,
I mean,
sorry, I
myself,
don't mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
She up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl
She
there.
up in your yard? Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left for her after she cheat. But big man thing. Where you plan for?
Why, brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me when I think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell the story about it. I feel for you, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I give it come out of the place, you know. But it's still there yard still, but connection, you don't know. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you are going to do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See now, I want with me I go do. So people still get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? You take out there, Zin, yeah.
you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vex, and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. All this don't make no sense.
I can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say oh. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somewhere. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share what only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. But you have to do what you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess now you see a girl attack or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know say me all agree on me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Soft Singer Kira, and I also want to get over every channel, yes, but the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below, so go over there, go check out the entire video, subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye.
Prepare food then?
No, no, the dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight is a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flow a little bit?
Never remember forget it.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Bye.
Public. That sound like public disturbance. What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what one?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you have to cook them there, man. So where your wife there? You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like, say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're at your yard. So if you tell me you don't want to give me a little food around there, oh, you have curfew at your yard, and on your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on so. We can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
We don't wake up your wife. We don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
No,
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me that KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I'm back, me, man.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me ring no them. Lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me ring no them. Make it blow over the neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. Right, come on, get you. Yes.
You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, you know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk, but me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work, me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep, I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her, cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Popeye,
Look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again. I'll be a mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes.
Go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not if you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay on there. Oh, sorry. You want to do that?
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, mean. Popeye, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Popeye.
Popeye, you know. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will
like.
support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're going to laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to do a 2 peas one. So to continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here today, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
The dirty Popeye out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
The dirty Popeye. Oh, man, I run him away. Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo, songs.
So what do you think you're going to leave us a bit?
Me don't tell you already say me and my friend them go hang out, you know, have little fun, so when me ready me call you.
You need to call me?
Yeah.
Alright, you are going. I work on a sales tonight, you understand? So you have to call me early than normal, you understand? So me can get ready. Come pick you up in
Alright,
time.
babes, I'm gonna call you. So babes, they can give me some money, because I don't have no money, you know, I go and buy some stuff.
Babes, you understand? Me like month gone, babes, you know, say low, you know. You understand? If anything I can send something to your card, me try, but you know what I'm going already.
Don't say no long way away for Natasha and Browning for come, girl. Come on, that's so long we're out here away, man. Them soon come. No, girl.
Sister girl. Sister girl.
You know you have me again for you. Come here, my friend.
Yes, girl. Ozzy, just let you out.
Yes, girl.
Good girl, look, man.
So girl, when Natasha there, I know Natasha not reach here.
I don't feel so like how a she call me out, I should have reached out here.
Chairman, you know I'm going like say around time where I wait right here. Just won't come, man. Gotcha. Now be express if you know they are, but we just
Girl, you take so long to come. Like you did I do something, you know, like you did I mash a little work.
No, so me not take no little bit. I hold the mood of the party. They would reach yourself.
Like you did I mash a little.
Dark joke.
I feel a way do because I will buy your lamp.
So we not go on with it, no good. Kiki, come to your hotel work. Everything good down there.
Why? I'm going down there now. I swear right now, I just feel like I want to live.
Girl, they always say that. You always a complain and you know you're not live. It's be nice, man. That's what Kiki go and always a complain and you not live. You want to live and you're not even look one next work.
Oh man, I really make up my mind I know. The people them call me an office girl. Don't tell me about tip. Two when I'm customer them come push and look at tip in my pocket to no girl. I even didn't remember say the tip in my pocket to them. And them I can't stress my brain. Me I left for true.
Good girl, you go like you don't know how the working environment go again. All you just to go and hold the work till you get one better. You see me, you just go and do your thing, mama.
Girl, you can't go on, you know. Because you're there with policeman, you know. You know how to work. So you don't know how to worry about policeman and wash for your plate.
Anyways, enough of that. Natasha, I go on for your store. I say I post up on Instagram and all these things. And I want to tell you say it a go on good. I not tell no lie. And since the other day my man get one deal for me, you know, I say I love you. That's why you see me post them there's something on Instagram. But for me I think for do right now, I want to start make my own stuff them in the store, so that me a work pan right now, but I don't want to talk about it because you know say more while I talk about things in a workout, so I just go and work pan it. I love how you go.
Girl, I'm happy for you. I like how things always go your way, you know. It's a go get a girl, I not lie, but no. Nowadays I have to watch out for them, man, you know, good girl. Come on, I lie, them are artist boy, and the hotel and Missy boy come in and be a bag again back at them.
Girl, let's sit to Kiki. Me and you know saying every man stays.
True, cause if me did follow people but then say about policeman, me and my husband who do the right now, he might not have the money, you know, in our way to finance me, but everything I go and good and take care of me, you know.
You can go and talk it up. But you go and like say the policeman when they did catch Boro raise him, they married. Natasha, I'm not tell her to pray a man, but I see these things happen with their work, with the artists, them in and out with woman. I meant just tell us if you just watch yourself. Hey girl.
I real talk, you know, I real talk, girl, but don't worry your head, man, cause you know I like myself careless. Hello? Girl, everything alright? You sure? No, sir. No, sir. Oh, God. Send me a picture of them on WhatsApp right now, cause just send me them. Me have one plan. Alright? Alright.
Girl, you see all them are going to be policeman soon, let me know what that means.
Girl,
I don't want no policeman.
me have to go away now. Me get a call and me have to go away. So
Yeah, boy, I love you.
Take care, bro.
Yeah, me so quick, girl. I feel that way, but
I'm really sorry to me have to go away, you know, but something really important me get called out. So when we reach home, me text them. Alright? Safe. Bye. Bye.
I bet say I see a man here on gone too. I hope my man treat her good enough, you know, but I hope the boy treat him good enough. I get a good girl.
Hey
Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
Girl, I'm not going like say. Mr. Broke out your man. I say girl go on man.
Natasha, can't people them go?
Alright, and action.
Nice, then one say me I go pan here whole day, me I text them. Me too. They come like Kiki, she a complain about the work, you a complain about the man. It's over to you, bro.
Action.
You a complain about work, you a complain about man, and no now, no left.
Man say action I
Trying to catch me. Pour something. No, Sam, your throat feels swell. Anyway.
Miss Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have my receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. You can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? I have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are going to go on for we. You know what to do, Mommy?
I stress the people, they must stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try to help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. I not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, Mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, Mommy, I have one little one scholar me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, Just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that. 4 months now. Me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You're the bad. They look like you're the bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call if you call me, I did it then. Call the man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know, I'm pregnant though. Okay, white father. What do you mean white father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess the births are something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone, maybe not sleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Still sexy? Always. Alright. Public! Public!
but wait. My God. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch him, man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water your head because I always hear my brethren talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water your head.
Yeah, go water it, but I'm tonight.
I know, easy at all. On a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell us me I feel pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here, so. Right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could go get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? They want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with a baby. I get a true juice, man. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can you get me a true juice?
True juice and everything true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not talk. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah? Chunko.
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And I don't belly be sure my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it ain't, if it of a true man.
Mommy, you work for you, you know? Right now, KFC and I'm buying. Alright.
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Boy, I'm glad she's still, but I tell you the truth in my general. Me no believe in the marriage thing, you know. Them they sitting there rope in an aisle. I wonder if you understand what I mean. Quick. I don't believe in that. So, me happy for you still, but my life right now come like a rough sea. If you can't swim down, go there. So I saw my life set up right now. But I'm glad for you still married and I get a youth. Wish me now promise to say me they go married, you know. Me and your friend, but God know me not married.
And
But wait, stop. Go again. What come here drink?
action.
Well, brother, what kind of careless life you are going with? Me know you know them something, brother. You have to be married, second long, and have a, you know what I mean, a respectable life for the most high. You don't know the things that you know. You know what I mean? 1 second. Hello? Yeah? Hold on, I go call her, but just give me 5 seconds. I call her. Yo, as a matter of fact, see the thing I say you want, brother. Nah, waste of time. So we talk, yeah? So man has a respect and big up yourself. So link me up if I nothing look come on, man, and we reason. Yes, sir?
See?
You don't know a thing said, you know?
It's what I try to show you. Mar
Oh God. Action.
So hold it. You know what I mean? Cause this you know what I mean? But that deal my deal now still.
you see what I tell you? Me just tell you about the married thing. And them I see you mash up friendship. You use where 190 then there? A 6 grand they beg you. And you look for me and give me 6 bills to do what? This can't even buy tissue on my yard. Yo, you must have a nice life, you know. You're married life. And one more thing. You see, the rope and aisle business not reaching a hit.
Alright, boy, I tell you.
And action.
I'm alright, yes. I don't know what time of strike, 1 o'clock. I think I money go up on 3. Because I girl and find out what she do. Because I don't understand what kind of phone call this. Nah, man, you shouldn't call me them time. You see what I'm going on. Rapunzel. What's the... What you say? What do you mean you're pregnant? Okay, so, well, congratulations, because at the end of the day, you must know we what? Me? No, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't understand that one then. If you do what? Which part you then right now? Which part you there right now? Tell me this. I see him bulldozer there around that corner there. Down in that lane there. Alright, tie the dog them. Tie the dog them. Make sure the dog them tie. Because I can't bother if get no more dog bite again. Tie the dog them. Alright? Me a follow right now. Yes. Run a back. Alright, me a coming up. Tie the dog them. Alright.
And action.
Tie the dog them. Right? Me a come. No, me a drive up right now. So tie the dog them. She tied out them.
Action. And action.
Well, Andy, even know me didn't hear good. Can't be say Rapunzel or say Pum Pum, say boy I come to. Watch him. And that boy have a perfect married life. Think me a fool, let him not hear the voice on the phone, they have a fuss here.
And
Perfect marriage, yeah man. Yeah man.
action.
No, Mr. Salt, you know.
And
Foggy?
action.
Public. Wagwan. I want to talk to you about something really important. Wait, no. Alright, make sure you call me back, you know. May I wait for you? Alright.
And action. Action.
Wagwan. I'm pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. What you mean I'm a fear, baby? And I only want me do it raw with, you know? Yes, the dog them tie up. Alright, hurry up and come.
Action.
How that? Come in.
You not look pregnant.
You see belly?
Action.
Rapunzel.
How that?
I'm in public.
Alright, come in.
Okay. Boy, you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
You don't just know a while ago.
No.
I see your belly as big, man.
No, my belly.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry, you know. Let's do it again. Oh shit.
Action. Ready.
Rapunzel. Rapunzel.
How that?
I'll make you wait 1 second time.
Alright, come in.
If I know what's going on for me now, you hear them information, yeah. Boy. Rapunzel. What going on?
Tell her already I'm pregnant.
But you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
No food they just eat a while ago.
No, I don't have no food. That's how my belly big.
Exactly.
Baby
I say,
grow.
since make up your mind what you talk about.
The baby a grow.
Baby
So
a
that's
grow.
why my belly big so.
So how much months this now?
3.
3 months. So what make you say that for me?
Cause I ain't only one me do it without nothing. We just go natural.
Rapunzel, remember what you do for a living.
That not say, but you know, so me not take chance with anybody. Me always make them put on their rubber. But me not make you put on a rubber. That's why me not say for you.
You sure?
Yes.
You know, so this is going to jeopardize everything now.
What you mean?
What you mean? Because guess what now? You're tied to me now in a one way where you're not supposed to be. Good? Oh. No, come see how I move. Sorry.
You didn't cut a while ago?
No recasting. Come again. So pick it up from you're tied to me. Ready? You're tied to me now in a one way where me not understand how to get out of it. You sure you want to keep it?
Yeah, I wanna carry the baby together.
We can't raise it together.
Why?
I already have what I have in my yard.
So, I know me tell her if breed me.
Rapunzel, you know, can't believe you put me in that situation. Alright, you are going. We have to go find a plan because, but you can't, I can't me and you.
So, me and who then?
We have to find a plan. So, just think about it, man.
Me not think about it, make up my mind already.
If you want me to write you a check.
No, I want you in my life. I want me to raise the baby together.
Rapunzel, nobody with us something there.
Yeah, I want me to raise the baby together so can be a family.
Rapunzel, come on Rapunzel, put a sock in it, man. Rough.
He said, put your sock in it, what the fuck?
We're going to take it from General. You just a stream with the ball. Hey, V, what you pray? So, alright. So. What you want to take it from now?
Just suck in it.
It's like I got on BTS camera. Straight BTS. By the shizneck. Rough. So where take it from General? Stop video the man! Hey!
It's annoying. See, you might be there so long. It's annoying, man. And I say, I keep on make mistake in it. Annoying.
No, I think you just go carry store where you carry it now, so it'll finish.
So it's better take it from.
I don't know.
Yo, Mr.
Come here, put your sock in it. Put your sock in it. Put your sock in it.
Yeah, grab me. Can you have it cut enough stuff? Alright, come in. Ready?
Ready?
Grab me. No. That can't work out. You know that already. Alright, here we go do. Just take a few days, think about it, because me sure what me have to do. Think about what you gotta do. If you want to find somebody and give the pitney, better you do that. Me will still send some money and take care of you.
Me no want think about it.
You know.
Me already tell you say you me want. Me want me you be a family. That me want.
No. Can't work.
No, please.
Just find somebody and we will take care of you. Here?
No.
So alright.
Where you go? Where you go?
Me have to
Where
go.
you go?
Me have to go. Make it baby.
No. Where you go?
We work it out, man. Me call.
Come back.
Lose the dog them now. We call.
You better know say I take care of this happy day. I'm not do it by myself. Alright. Come go in here.
Candy, boy, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee to revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say I save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. Not time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quicker, some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know it's a time to be step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm going to get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I would invest so much now, you look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and accoutrements and birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, ma'am. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes, because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what's going on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me. Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to you know what I mean? Instead of you try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright, kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah, man. Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes them. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something I don't want to run, you know. And nobody please say something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about...
Babe, now me see why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not going to explore no more. You're not going to enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know, lack of that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck, you are going? Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what cool out what you're saying. You want to put more now.
What you idiot? Going out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say not come in with no flu and not contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say, you're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget picnic when you're not sick and them big then can help you. Know. Look for you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know say. Go down this over there, go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up, you know, mommy?
Yeah, man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still, you know. You can't go in it for long. Because it's like me hungry, I throw one partner. Say, see money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me, boss. So if you can't manage it,
true, no, mommy. But you know, say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them things they run, isn't it?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up, Pop. Really. Glad me I will not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something to do.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Doing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service always up around there, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, my second, my stomach cancer, cause...
No, so cold in what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them a thing we deal with. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I go on, Jenna. Long time I don't see you in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just have to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second, my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause... I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price now raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price then raise up, man. But then should have dare still, you know. But I try to support me all along, you know.
Everything can raise, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that. You see me? Because the youth them have to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? I run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we are waiting upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way. You know, you're going to need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, well, I still have to deal with that. What on? Yeah, Richie?
Yo! I'm there, man, I'm there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, just give it.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you, man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill, man, don't worry. Alright, bless yourself, man. Cool. Right. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out, you know. See? So bless yourself. Yes, sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? What you say? What period that's so? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What are you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend I'm free. But you not have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend, man. So wait, say weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah, man. I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m. Rex Cafe. What that sound?
Yeah, man. No problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sound like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start in and know yourself. Just have to take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So upload it, say that.
Yeah, upload it.
So later we talk here.
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me dey talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone with him mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go on, he should have wait up in a rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where do baby in them time? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, saying I make no sense. Sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until I financially stable me breed. I'm for breed now. I'm a broke. I can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I can't get up and go to my yard. Sir, me did come up here.
What one can be?
Maybe a man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Man, I just left me a little, you know? Alright. So you link, yeah?
Alright. How go on, babe? You know, say, Candyman just overshop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and then something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk, say. I'm no business with her. It looks like she don't realize how things are running all the time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down in the yard, you know. Sure, let's see what I'm going to say. I'm trying to save you and scare you, alright?
Hello?
No, I'm not calling too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God. Alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through because I'm up on the road. I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do but to just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man. You can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pawn you.
Alright. I found right now here. Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, man, and now come in yard. How about this, man? a man and I want a baby now. I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say none of there know my father.
None of there?
None of there my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming. Hi. You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said, even fought for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there where they just busy at talk. Because a long time I don't see where catch up and things.
Virgin Mary that baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think me born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm looking a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said him come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you're born. So girl, I feel your man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my like a ass and go one side. I hear man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. I went yesterday and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I'm ever done in a year business.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, yes, the people they are back a yard. What? Oh, no clock, sorry. One thing I'm gonna in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel, me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you don't want to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not going to miss the threesome if you don't watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
I'm with him realize, say, you're not really into me again.
What?
See, all this man, you wake up. Normally, when you wake up, you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man, you know, they say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you said to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. Me don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. Me don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand? You're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
So stop acting like that.
You're supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as we give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you, I'm supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recording right now, make you hear yourself. Me if you run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because me done gone left, right and center, but me still there, yes, so. Yes, me don't give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way me go run. Yes, I run come back. I don't really me a play.
When me a peel your banana and you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, if it's you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about what you want time off. Hello, I only think for upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want order this? No, you're not complaining. So let me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, you ready to come on and ramp with one.
Yo, if you have a girl, you have to have style. Come here, tell you, say, you see me? I have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all boy place, you know. I have girl round so. And I have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And love the flow. You see what I say? I have girl is brother. Actually, you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So, hold on there. What my boy you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kind of too much, you know. Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's won't come. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong. We not nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk. I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there. Look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want look attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man. Yo. Oh, tell say my brother not talk to him. What make you always stick me up with that something?
So
like?
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up, man. Me just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the on the phone at text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text nobody. Me just a chill because we're up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me not want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first I Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fatten no phone for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this sit down. Get up.
Yo, listen, man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me can't tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. Hey, it's a she bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in a real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know. Make sure you share too. Alright.
Hey V, why pray? Hey V, where you there? Where you there? Hey.
Yeah, shoot and editor here, people. Spend most of our time behind the camera these days. I'm gonna try to get me some like and all. Anyways, remember if you like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you. You see what and action.
Okay. Baby, you're pretty like money. I want to talk about. Bro.
Come again. And action.
What you really just say? Time off? Time off? When me a peel the banana, you ever ask it to me?
Yeah, man, go.
Hold it with the banana. Peel the banana.
Alright, let me put role play first.
And action.
Time. Oh.
That bad thing.
Yeah. And action.
Oh, you really just say? Time off. Time off. When we are...
Dugu and I peel your banana. No,
Yes, because she's so into it. She's so into it. Yeah. It's fine. You're doing good. You're doing good.
First time I got so much time, you know?
No,
It's the first time it happened to me.
It happened to me worse. So no worry yourself.
Alright, I'm ready. Don't spend too long.
Action.
So wait there. For your friend, they're more important than me. Me there in there so. I want little attention and you out here so with friend. You know what? Let me spit and you're not reaching yet. Cause me not play with you.
No.
Rough.
No, but I use it.
How I forgot. Come on.
Let me spit sod. Sod out. Let me sod. We spit sod out.
Yeah.
I ain't reach it. But
Okay.
no. What go on, General? You know, sir, you may come link up. You can guess now. Me go for pay my flow bill and it short $3,000 and I don't know how that happen. Me not have $3,000. I don't know if I can limit $3,000.
As you talk about internet, you know, I can't check you. The computer crash and I say, oh, I come borrow your computer. But, 3,000 too. You know what I say? That's a simple thing, you know. $3,000 and nothing for give your bridging.
Respect, brother. Thanks. Here, because I'm going to start with the bill right now. Here, what? Forward, man. Forward and I'm going to start with your thing and give up.
Yeah, man, so. What? Mama, you look nice, they do.
You know, easy, you know. I still look for your woman, them. You know, easy at all.
What you mean? Where you move so?
Yo, nah, man. I look my woman, them different, man. Come in.
I don't believe you, man. You gotta see your work.
No, me, I got everything good, man. Them nice still, them nice, but you know what I mean? But me, I say, for me, things set different.
Girl, I see your ass big, it can't fit you.
It can't work, you know.
I don't like them bad mind talking there, you know. Never buy one for you. But differently though. You know, some more real man in my life though. You know, then good up man then. But me kind of scared to talk to him man then, you know. But me not really judge every man as the same thing, you know. Because I know you have some good, decent man out there, so you know, good citizen.
Girl, stop right there, so. And stop foolishness. Some good man out there again. Yeah, we just one play innocent. That's why you can chop them money and get anything you want to get out of them. All when you not stay so. You understand? Because this life I will live in now. You can't find no good man out there. Just chop them and play innocent girl. I always see what me talk about. Everything will fall in place.
Me and a friend, you know, but me I tell you the truth. Me not agree with you.
Even if you be a good girl, then my money, they still have to treat you messed up. May I tell you? So you have to just use your brain. You understand? Let them feel say you're perfect or when you're not perfect. Yeah. Not there. May I tell you?
That sound too cool. That sound like you know no art. It look like say we not go have no love for nobody at all. But you explain tell me say like say no love no out there. Me can't do it. Me can't do it, girl. Me not tell you no lie. Me have to take risk. Me have to go take risk. Anything will happen.
You can't stand there talk about you take risk. I take no risk. You see me when they take risk, you see everything where you see in your see that bed over there so. See that dresser there. If me take risk, one of them. So you can't go and be the perfect woman or the perfect girl. That's your business.
Yeah man. You can go on, you know. You can go on. But me not follow you. You see when you take man things, a man find out say you don't love them, the way you them want you feel love them and then they say give you them things so then we kill you. Man we kill you with dead.
Back to the
Still
sender.
you take man things and back to sender. Still you take man things and then they trick man and then make them feel say you love them 100% when you don't love them. So you want them things, you take them things, you're with dead. Everything with me.
My girl, you can't go and talk. You don't know what go on. You don't know how much I can strike. You see later I'm going to go road. I'll get one of them good looking man there and show you something. I'm going to show you something. Alright. Go kill. The little boy can't kill me. I don't know if he kill me. I feel tougher than tough. I don't even know what is tougher than tough. I'll show you.
Me be like Michael Jackson. Me will start like the man in the mirror. In my case, me will start like the woman in the mirror. Me a woman in the mirror. Now worry yourself. Anyways, me I can go now.
Alright.
By the way, you have noticed you?
Yeah, me have this here. Hour.
Girl, me say I put on a piece of cooking up on me yard there. Me cook some curry and give me picnic them. One near me and one not near me. I look at the next one never near me. The other one have running belly and me run out of tissue. Me nah no money, you laugh. Me nah no tissue. You can't give me one.
Yeah man, we give you one.
Alright, go up and give me car right now.
You see you come down to now though. You see you come down and me I tell about it. Right back to what me I tell about it. You want to continue link me for tissue? What is? Hurry up, care tissue go keep it before they shit up the place up there. So man, you come work. Oh. Alright.
Thanks for the tissue.
Watch out, man. I have to hang out the clothes them from morning start. Please set up to you know. We're in set up.
Seriously? Yeah. You know no woman to put up clothes for life? Okay. Me see why you ask me down there, so if I saw me look woman. Because you know look none. You feel they look.
No, sir. I can't just look any woman just like that. I want the perfect woman. Me need the perfect woman who understand me to the teeth, know me, for me, and not just like running. You know what I mean? Because sometimes, yo, I don't waste time, brother. You know? You want the perfect woman.
Listen me. Listen, that's how it work. Listen, y'all look for something perfect. You think that's so perfect come? You have to just find a woman. If it's not suit you, you just love it. No wait. Where you wait pan? Just grab any woman you catch. And so you go and find perfect. If you go and sit down with pan perfect, it now go come.
Brother, you think any woman I want a woman who can come up from my yard and take care of it, clean out the place and, you know what I mean? Tell me something, you think, say, them nowadays, girl, yeah, wouldn't actually wash your clothes, much less figure out the door, go pin up it online? Eh? You think that's how this thing go? About catch woman, and that's how this thing go. You might catch the big AIDS, you know what I mean? Because in them time, you don't know who you can trust. And then now tell us them have, you know. Them now tell us them have that thing there. Them just go enjoy themselves for you. Like when you want to enjoy yourself, let's enjoy it. I saw them do it, you know. But guess what, go on? You see how me look, woman, my thing set different. So guess what, go on? You are going to see how me set my thing. Forward, I can get the laptop here, because you need for your thing, you work your thing, and me work my thing.
Oh, this man I take me for. I waiting them make condom for. You think I me tell someone not to use condom? Come on now, man.
Hey, and I hold it, you know, and I hold the video. Guess what now? We just thief a little piece and go in because guess what now? Me have to keep, you know what I mean, entertained, you know what I mean? So guess what now? Just understand, me just thief piece just for you. So do a thing for me. Like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? The full video will come very soon. Forward very soon, you know what I mean? So guess what, go on? If you're there AV, like, share, subscribe, please. If you're there public report, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, me do this for uno, to make you see what I go on, just to keep the thing flowing. Because we post every day, and we have to keep it up to date, right? So do the right thing. Bless up yourself, right now. Humper night. Not even spread out the clothes and look how it rain, set up the fall.
My girl, stop right there so and stop that foolishness. Start over, please. My girl, stop right there before you start that foolishness. No good man out there again. What kind of good relationship you look? Yeah, you have to just, me tell you what to do, man. Just play innocent, just play a good girl, and everything will fall in place. Yeah, just play the innocent girl, and you will see what they go on. I don't think that's what I should say.
Anyways, no, you say me fi.
You might go don't catch a big gay. Because guess what now, you see, me is a mother's. No, sorry, go on. Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing? And it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You know, see how me roll? Me I won't leave a girl upon that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man are fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you know I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. You see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. Oh, what? I'm not getting home tonight. Me I come now. Man. Me I come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did up on the phone, General?
What mean who me I talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her out in one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But you know, I'm not really saying nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because me somebody talk about wash plate and you know wash clothes. You know me come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? What you talk about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some rock. Go on, country there, man.
What you say, you know ready?
Come see, you almost blast some again. Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh what?
No man, no. Exercise.
Yo, here we are going. We have to go do road, you know, so my grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up here, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can't reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man I go call me, you know. Watch him run.
Babes, I really feel it right now.
Remember, say tell me, say your man a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come, put on the shoes. Right. Already.
Wagwan! Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up the VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like come down here say, you know. Them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we are going, you know. I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, say don't want to deal, but the period that come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent
I don't
due.
like your lips, yeah. I really like Calypso. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. So you say,
Babes.
listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
You know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look special now because today's a hot day to beef bar.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because why Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman live Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive blue parade down there, sir.
Yes, man. I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright. I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan you? Scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just this me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. One something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, you know, so you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, so. Eh? Who will you take me for?
You know, girl, your babes.
Listen,
you know,
listen, right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joking you're depend man, but you're not serious business. Anyways, let I go, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No more. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba.
Manners and respect.
Hey, you, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp with us. Be careful. Play your game, play right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
That's so much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can let me on 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can see your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and traffic facts and them sitting there, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember when we used to let them boat figure out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I don't want to help me. Yo, you really don't want to help me? Tell me for you why.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget well, then this. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I have to go for your money around. So I will lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me no want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you that.
Yo, respect our manners to the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, no what you say? We go pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Cause you know what I mean, we work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So exactly come on. Here boss.
That's all. You come back if you know more money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, are we at the court date?
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I'll figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them curtain you want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan to get it clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here. Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like say if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't know a little bit of money I tell me about. I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for not a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call.
Place to delete them. First connect.
Kamar, I wish party day. Look, more you for meet me run a jerk that 3 days like right now. Alright, just the way I do and just make sure it's your hurry up.
Babes, not 3 times a sit. Look to your right, man. The dead one, see you, know. Hey. You see, as beautiful as this place is, it's not even half as beautiful as you are.
Thank you very much. But look at this. Tell me now, what is that, Kamara?
That's Candy.
So who is she to you?
Candy, I'm a business partner. Wait, hold a minute. Put a fork in it. Let me tell you something. Candy is the reason why you call me out here. Eh? Waste food, personal time, food, precious time. Look how much things we can do. Look at the scenery. Look how much things we can do. Look how big. Come on. Let me tell you this. We talk about this already, you know. Candy, I'm a business partner, and let me tell you this, man. I work with a lot of females, you know. You have to understand, so I don't want them, and you me want. And you are my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have to go through this again. We don't have to go through here, someone.
So what other business do you want Candy have to do? Because you can't tell me, say, you work with how much woman and you never look for none of them yet.
This year really gone with it. Hmm? Come on, babe. You know, say if no want them, but we're not lying. Listen to me. As a man, we see what and everything we see we want to touch. You know what I mean? We see it. It's there. But I choose not to. Some of them feel like say me out there work with them, I'm interested in them and all these things. And you remember saying, alright, look at it this way. You see, from my perspective now, I see I work with Billy Bob which did it. And you know, in our state of conversation. But guess what? I'm not business about what I talk about because we don't have to have an innocent or whatever conversation. Because I trust you, I put my trust on you. Somebody really.
See me know say you're guilty right now. See me know say you're guilty. Because me call you here for different something and you gone all the way a Billy Bob because you want to ignore what me have to say. That's why I just can't trust them man, you know. I just can't trust you know.
You can't trust them man. Yeah. This year gone with it. And about me and you again. About man out the road. That you really bring come here, so. Look how hey. As a matter of fact, let me ask you a question. You have Candy number? How you get that picture then? Come in and say just get up one day and just call me. If you're hungry and just so meet me here so in all these places. Oh, look at the place nice, you come talk about Candy, my worker. How you get that picture then?
Don't worry about how me get the picture. And try to lower your voice because I don't have to dig up when I know to dig up. You hear me I tell you? I ask questions and I just did want to see what she look at that side and get the picture. And I can't believe that me a big old fat ugly people here talking. Look how much nice girl you work with, although I know see you talk to two nice one then yes. But this one here don't make sense.
Yeah. What do I do for a living? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. Saying, if you see me I do some short films and I act some movie and all these things and I sing, you have to understand the interaction is there, you know. You understand? Hey, you know, take a normal average woman to deal with the situations, but understand that. Because, you know, it's natural for you to feel a little insecure about me and sing to other women to, you know, ease them pain or to make them feel good. You know what I mean? But you have to understand, say, I choose you, that's why I make sure I stay away.
That's why you stop me feeling type of weird. Stop me have to go around and ask questions about people. I dig up and try to get picture about people. Just stop me feeling type of way here and I feel do them something here. You think I really want to do this? I don't want to do this at all. So please, may I ask you. I don't want to call your phone and can't get your phone. I mean, if you call people and something, I don't want you to come and look for you. I just want you to come home when you finish work, please.
Yeah. I don't make more effort. You know, sir, you're right. You're really right. Because guess what now? Communication is a must. And when we start out, we should communicate regular. You understand?
Exactly.
So what I'm going to do now is now make sure, say, I put in the work for you. Yeah? Who's the prettiest girl in the world? You. You're my girl.
So we are getting ice cream.
Yes, we can. Alright. You know where I do?
Stay home tonight.
Yes,
please.
Come on. Yes, of course.
Me confront him and like every time me confront him about something that the same thing he might tell me over and over again. Like he might tell me saying love me and me know say I'm me one and then something there. But me still not trust him. Exactly. And me know the kind of woman them when in love. See, me now put that past him none at all. So at that we are good. Me just want you to continue. Keep your eye on him, please. Tell him you can't trust him, man. You ain't a girl. Can't trust him. No worry about that, man. Me I go call you back and then we can discuss that. Alright? Alright, later. Alright, friend. Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
And action.
Where's my back in my bomber? No, that's
And action.
Babe, what am I do for a living? So that first question you have to ask yourself. I act movies, you know what I mean? I sing. Interaction is a must, because people me deal with. And guess what? I sing for ladies. My song is for the ladies. Yeah. So I will fall in love with just even the way I articulate myself, and you know. Is that the word?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Where's he looking for?
A sugar daddy.
Alright, big up yourself. So close the door now already again. Come on, Natasha, man.
And then see your man again when we go.
Sure.
Okay.
Come, just stand up, I'm gonna catch you in a focus it.
Hello, good day, my
Alright.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy, right?
Why wonder Papa go so misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there. Why, man? There, why free, you know? Why you come from up here so misery, man?
Why? You don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to look at jokes. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, you come to think of it. Me need to penetrate the Spanish fly, boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because you know that something make me hard and bad. So I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why, you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow, man. See him too. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want to tell you. The one of them in the yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not even nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not even nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Aye.
Really? That make a day some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me off her hand, we put on clothes for her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something, you know, something.
Yeah, that really a go on? Man, I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Because that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she live on her own, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can't go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go up on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them a sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you not lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, and you wish that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Candy, tell them where you're sitting
Where
here.
you going, sir?
Tell them where you're sitting
You're
here.
going like you know one, then go over to Akeem Lawrence
And they
channel.
and they them there.
Them
Subscribe.
who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See him? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan for do?
I'm to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happened?
Alright, so you know some single, right? And from with you, me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Well on the girl, before I get down the line integrity, let me eat one of them spearmint here. You want one?
No, sir, girl, I can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say man them do you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah man girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? Me just can't bother ya.
How going on, sir? Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, yeah, how far me I come from? So Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, that's all man.
So public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good. What? You think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me get.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a walk one. Why you not act so?
me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and Malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I know really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth on the back of your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people else around here because guess what now? She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You walk around, handle of business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go do something. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say their mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you are finished, that is if you're new, when you are finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more hot content like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, do you know some single fan with you, right? And me I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know say from with you, me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me did it, and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure so everything good?
Yeah man girl, everything good man. So what you ask about him and them?
Me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright?
Yeah man girl, everything alright. So what you ask about him and them now?
Me nah know corona you know. But still, me no know the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand.
Kira. Me I go suck on me as well, alright? See me a 3 man.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know what go on.
You and a good friend. You? Sit and go. Man, shoot her, we can't keep them words.